Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this soft glam look using products from Nykaa. This is an Indian brand and I've been really excited to try the products from this brand, and I've been really curious to see how they actually fall in place. So before any further ado, let's get started. Just before we get started, I just want to tell you that this is not a sponsored video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's jump in the video. So I'm going to start with the Nykaa Brow On Point Micro Fine Pencil, and I'm going to go in with the spoolie side first and then with the pencil side and just fill in my brows. I'm combing my hair with the spoolie side first because I just want to give it a shape that I can fill it in. Now with the pencil side, I'm just filling in the sparse areas. Next, I'm going to go in with the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick in number 2, and I'm going to just take a stiff brush. This is from pack 246, and I'm going to take a stiff brush and just apply it all over my lid. This is going to cancel out all the discoloration and the veins that can be seen, and it will give me a clean canvas to apply my eyeshadow. I'm going to go all the way from the inner corners of my eyes to the brow bone. Next, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow palette from Nykaa, and this is called Smokey at 8. So I'm going to go in with this shade over here, and I'm going to set my entire eyelid. Next, I'm going to go in with this color over here, and this will be my transition color, and I will be applying this right over my crease. The brush that I'm using to apply this is MAC 217. I'm going to go in with this color over here, and I'm going to apply it in the hollows of my eyes, which is going to be my crease color. The brush that I'm using this to apply is Morphe E28. I'm also going to take a little bit of the black shade from the palette and just apply it on the crease, just to increase the intensity of the color and to give it a little more depth. Now going back with the transition color, I'm going to just melt both the colors together and give it a more blended look. Now I'm going to go in with this shade over here. This is the shimmer shade, and I'm taking a flat shader brush just to apply it in the centers of my lid. Next, from the other side of the brush, I'm going to take in this golden shade over here and then just apply it in the inner corners. Now going in with the brown and the black shade that I applied for my crease, I'm just going to take it again on the same brush and just blend out any harsh lines that I see in the outer corners of my eye. To give it a little more smoky effect, I'm going to increase the amount of black eyeshadow from the palette in the outer corners of my eye and just blend it out in circular motions and in windshield wiper motions. I'm also going to be taking the Nykaa Kajal and apply it as my eyeliner, and then I will be smoking it out with the black eyeshadow from the palette. I'm pressing a little more eyeshadow closest to my upper lash line just to increase the intensity and give it that maximum smoky look. I've also created a wing by just extending the black eyeshadow outward. Next, I'm going to clean up all the fallout that I've got from the eyeshadow palette and then just jump right into my primer. Today I'm using the Nykaa primer Prep Me Up. I'm also going to just focus it in the centers of my face. Till it's getting absorbed by my skin, I'm going to just curl my lashes and apply a lot of mascara. So today I did not have mascara from Nykaa, so I'm going to use the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. So today I'm wearing lashes from Nykaa in the shade OG, and I will be right back after wearing my lashes. And I'm back after wearing my lashes. Don't forget to see my review in another video. I will be mentioning the link in the description box down below for you guys to have a look later. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Skinshield foundation in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to apply dots all over my face and then just blend it out with the damp beauty blender. Next for concealer, I'm going to use the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick in shade number 2. To contour my face, I'm going to use the same Skin Genius Foundation Stick in shade number 7. I'm also going to apply a little bit around my nose just to shorten it out. Now I did not get any corrector from Nykaa, however I got the cream to powder compact in the shade Almond Drizzle. This was free, and that's why I'm going to apply this under my eyes just to brighten it out a little bit. Next, to set my face, I'm going to use the compact powder in the shade Natural Ivory. I'm actually going to use the same puff that comes with the packaging just to try it out. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to first apply the black shade over here and then just blend it out with the transition color that we applied. As this is a really pigmented palette, I'm going to take a really tiny amount of it and just apply it closest to my lower lash line. I'm also just going to connect it to the upper liner that we created. With the same MAC brush 217, I'm going to take the transition shade and just smoke out the lower lash line just to blend out any harsh lines that we see. And then to finish it off, I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. Before we jump into our cheeks and highlighter, I'm just going to take the same brush that came with the palette and go in with this golden shade over here just to apply it in the inner corners of my eye, and this will just pop out the entire eye. Now for cheeks, I did not get any cheek palette, so I'm going to use the Wonderpuff lip stain, and then I'm just going to dab it on the back of my hand, take a beauty blender and just apply it on the apples of my cheek. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Duo palette. This is the Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter Duo palette in the shade 24 Glam. I'm going to apply it in the high points of my cheek, the bridge of my nose, and the cupid's bow. With whatever's left on the brush, I'm also going to apply it on the brow bone. So for lips, I've got two options. This is the Match to Last liquid lipstick in shade Gul and Bombay. I'm going to apply both just to see which looks better. But before I apply it, I always clean up whatever product is there on my lips just to enhance the color a little more. So this is it, guys. This is the look I achieved by using all the products from Nykaa. You can also see my other video where I will show you all the products I purchased from Nykaa and the reviews on them. I will leave the link to that video in the description box down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. For those who are new here, I post videos every week and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching.